Hello. So we're at dinner. And we are in the dining room because with Lido, they have the same thing that's in the dining room except for everyone's touching it. So I figured we might as well come to Lido when we come to the dining room and just get our stuff. Yeah, it was a free for all. One or more of the services below. So exfoliate the hands and 4 feet, aroma essentials, eye fix, or thermal therapy. If I would get my feet done, I would say exfoliate these feet. The feet, branded the feet, dang.
Martha edit. So we are at the spa, Cloud9 Spa, in the relaxation room, and this is we took a tour here yesterday, but this is quite nice. So while she's getting her manicure, I'm going to sit back here for a sail away.
Seems cool.
Yeah.
So this is my nail technician. Her name is Haiti.
Yes.
And Haiti, how long have you been working with Carnival?
This is my first contract, and I'm already 5 months.
Already 5 months. So you're almost at the end of it, right? You do 6 months or?
Yeah, no, we do 9 months.
9 months.
Yeah, 9 months.
How do you feel about it? You like it? You miss miss your family?
I miss my family, that's true, but it's, it makes a little easy for me because I don't have my own family. I have just my mom and my siblings.
Yes.
So it makes easier instead of when you have your own family, especially kids, which is difficult. I see that because of my colleagues. My colleagues, they have like sometimes babies, and it's a little hard.
Yeah.
For me, no, I'm fine, and I'm excited. This kind of work, it's so nice because at the same time that you are working, you have the opportunity to travel.
Yes.
So it's a great opportunity. You can travel, you can work at the same time. You share a lot with different people around the world,
right?
Different nationalities, and every day it's just new people. It's exciting.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. Yeah.
Well, good. I'm glad that you like it. We love cruising too. We cruise a lot, so I'm glad that you like it.
Yeah, I really like it.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Well, if you guys get a chance and you're on the Carnival Magic, come see Haiti. She's doing an amazing job, and she's made some great suggestions to me since this is my first time in the spa. All right, thanks, guys.
You're the director and the producer and the writer. Yes.
Okay. Well, update on.
First, can I say something?
Yes.
Prayers out to the 14 kids and one teacher who died in the shooting in Texas. That's such a horrific tragedy, and it doesn't matter if we're on vacation or not. We still want to send our prayers out to those families.
Yes.
Because we don't. We have obviously we have kids in school. We don't. I can't imagine getting that news. So prayers out to those families.
Absolutely. Well, now I feel like what I was going to talk about is kind of trivial. So last we saw you guys, I was in the spa, and I got a birthday coupon gift card from Carnival for $50 to use in the spa. So I decided to get the fire and ice manicure. So let me give you guys a little detail about that manicure. This is my manicure. She did a really good job. So they are not allowed to use like any like drills or anything like that. So everything they do is by hand. So they file everything, which makes the manicure a lot. I think because they have more control. Because sometimes when they use the drill bits or the drill to kind of get the polish off and stuff, it can be a little out of control. So that's the first thing, is they work very hard because everything they do is by hand. So breaking down of what the price was, yes, the manicure, fire and ice manicure is $69. It comes with regular polish, so that means no gel or anything like that. So with that being said, I had gel polish on my nails already. It costs $10 to take the gel polish off. So I got the gel polish taken off. Instead of getting the fire, and I had no choice. How else was I gonna get it off? So instead of getting the fire ice, I got gel polish put back on. And when you do that, they don't do the fire and ice massage. You do like an exfoliate. So yeah, so they exfoliated my hands with like a scrub, and then put the polish on. She took her time and cut down my nails and shaped them just how I like them. They look very nice. She did a very good job. Her name is Haiti. You guys have probably already seen her. But so the breakdown of the pricing. So the price is $69.99 for the fire and ice manicure. They take a $50 gift card off. Then they put back $10 for removing the gel if you have gel polish on. Then they charge you I was charged $14.22 for gratuity for Haiti, which brought the manicure to $43.22 basically. So a $70 manicure ended up costing $43.22. This is the proceeds here right now.
Yes. Yeah, this was not discussed in pre-production at all. She's been working for the last 3 hours, so this is we're getting this information together.
Well, that was a breakdown. And this is what you can expect if you do get a manicure or a pedicure on the ship. Even if you don't have a birthday coupon, you do have to expect that they're going to add gratuities on, because it's not something that you pre-purchase or prepaid the gratuities on. And they did put on the slip that that money does go directly to that nail technician or the spa technician, whoever does your services. So at least you know that full amount is going to them. It's not being split. So I did like that part about it. She, like I said, she worked very hard. She had to file the previous gel polish off and let my nails soak, and then file it off and let my nails soak. So I will say the whole process probably took like an hour and 20 minutes maybe.
Yeah, I thought it was in there for over an hour.
Yeah, it was at least an hour and 20 minutes. And then of course I was so relaxed by the time I got finished, and then I checked my email and I got this crazy work email, so that kind of threw me off a little bit. So I spent the last 3 hours working. But that's neither here nor there. We are finished. We are, as you guys saw in the background as I was interviewing Haiti, we have left Freeport, and we are on our way back to Virginia.
Absolutely, that's what we're doing.
Yeah,
that's what we're doing. It's 6:55 now, so we're just kind of
waiting for dinner, basically.
Yeah.
So the other thing is, there are a couple of shows tonight. There is Deal or No Deal and the Love and Marriage show. So that's the most exciting thing that has happened since we've been on this trip.
that is the extent of the shows.
Yeah, there have not been a lot of shows on this ship. So that is what we have been.
Then we're gonna run into an issue. It is at 8. Our dinner's at 8:15. So maybe we can we go talk to someone to maybe see if we can go in like it. I'll be willing to go to dinner at 7.
They don't have a 7.
A 7? Okay.
No, they have the 6 and then the 8:15. There's only 2 dinners.
I guess we might be going.
No, we're gonna need to go to dinner tonight.
So we're gonna miss the show.
Yeah, well, we've seen Deal or No Deal.
I know. I'm just saying there's just been a lack of shows, and there's one show that I want to go to, or the one show that they have we can't go to.
Right.
It's just frustrating.
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta go to dinner. We can go see what's in the buffet. Buffet service has already started, so we can go see what's there. If you want to do that.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, let's go see what's there, and then we'll make a decision about dinner afterwards. Talk to you later. Hello. So we're at dinner.
Alright,
And we are in the dining room because with the Lido, they have the same thing that's in the dining room except for everyone's touching it. So I figured we might as well come to Lido when we come to the dining room and just get our stuff. Yeah, it was a free for all. When people saw the steak and the ribs on the buffet, they were kind of yeah. So we're here in a calm environment where we can get our food served to us when we want it, and that's with minimal hands touching it.
Why are you staring at me?
I'm just looking at you.
Oh, it's like you stared at me for like 5 seconds and didn't say anything.
Anyway, what are you having for dinner tonight?
Barbecue spare ribs and lasagna for an appetizer. That's weird. That's weird as that sounds.
I'm having. What am I having for appetizer? It's been so long, I forgot. I'm having a flatbread for appetizer. I think it's like a barbecue chicken flatbread, and I'm having the steak and then a piece of salmon on the side.
Yeah.
Surf and turtle.
Oh, I didn't even think about that.
Yeah. So that's what we're doing.
Also, she always says she eats too much steak, and she's very conscious of her eating too much steak and beef on a cruise, and then she goes right back to ordering steak.
First thing I did was order steak.
The first thing you ordered was steak.
Well, that's why I ordered the salmon on the side, just in case I decided the steak was not going to be to my liking.
But the steak's always to your liking. You always eat the steak.
If it's tough, then I'll have a salmon as a backup.
Okay.
All right. So we'll see you guys later.
We'll see you good people later.
All right. So I got the barbecue chicken flatbread, and Brandon has the lasagna. How's the lasagna? It's okay. Flatbread look dry. I don't see no sauce on it. Maybe the sauce is on the chicken. I don't know. We'll try it. some of my new friends. This is Tucker, this is Barry, and this is Dino.
I'm glad you've made new friends since we've been on the ship.
I have made friends.
Anyway, this is gonna wrap up the vlog for the day. It's a good mission. I'd say it was a good day overall.
I think so.
Overall, it was a good day. Got some good information for you good people when you visit Freeport.
Yeah.
Visited a beautiful beach, and who can complain about visiting a beautiful beach?
Yeah.
Came back, sat out on the deck, beautiful views. You got your manicure, so I'd say overall today was a good day.
It was a good day.
So tomorrow's a sea day. So
sea days are the best days.
Sea days are the best days. So we're just gonna take it easy. Go to different points on the ship at different times. May do the ropes course tomorrow. Just as something to do.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe the water slide. We always say we're gonna get to water slides on the ship and never do.
Maybe.
So maybe tomorrow's the day. Who knows?
You never know.
The water's our oyster because we don't have anywhere to be tomorrow. So yeah, that's gonna end it for tonight. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your comments make us a better channel, and your likes and your obviously you subscribing helps out the channel a ton.
And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you know when we update new videos and go live.
All right, so I am Brandon.
I'm Siobhan.
We are Parkers on the Go. Good night, guys.
Good night. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Siobhan.
This is Brandon.
And we are